So today I want to show you how we clean our pens in coops. So this is just one example. This is one of our breeder coops. I sold off a breed, so now I need to get this prepped and ready for another breed that we're going to move in here today. So the first thing I want to do is break out this pen. You can see we got some food, some poop, feathers. We got to get that cleaned up. We get cleaned and ready for the next breed. That way they're not too, this way it's just ready for them. It's cleaned and looks nice. Also got to remove our roost. I'm going to show you that real quick. So we got to get rid of that. So that's the next thing we got to remove. Part of our clean up and fix up and check for any issues. That's one of the things we do with the coops. We check and maintenance the coops and pens. So you want to make sure there's no damages. You want to make sure there's no holes or possible injuries that could happen. Like let's say something broke, you didn't notice it, and it's hanging out somewhere. It cuts a chicken. Dealing with those wounds can be kind of nasty and could get infected, and no one wants that. So we're gonna clean it up, straighten it up. I'm gonna fix a couple things here. I want to fix this corner over here by the coop. That's where all the hens have been getting in, and I haven't got around to fixing it. So we're gonna do it today while there's no birds in here. That's the way to go. Preferably, I prefer to get things done in a timely manner. More when they happen, get it done. Then you ain't gotta worry about it no more. Put it off, so now I gotta fix it. So we'll see how that turns out. Then we're gonna make sure there's food, clean water. I think this is it's about empty. So we'll get that situated. I'm gonna try to see if we can do something with this pipe. Might be able to bend it down. That works. Okay, anyway, so I'm going to show you how I get this cleaned up, and let's get started. So I'm going to go get the rake, and I'll see you in just a minute. Alright, now I'm going to get started on the cleaning process, and we'll see how it goes from here. Tell you something interesting. You hear that chicken? That's a hen. It's a lady. She's either about to lay an egg or she already laid an egg. And what she's doing is she's telling the other chickens, I found a spot, safe, come lay your egg here. I laid an egg here. Or she's telling the roosters, I laid an egg, or I need to lay an egg. Because back when they were wild, I'm talking a long time ago, when they were just jungle fowl pretty much, during that time, that's what the hen would do to tell the rooster, I need to find a spot to lay an egg. And he would go find a safe spot, make the nest, and she'd go do her business. And they would do that, and that's how the hens would survive, and that's why hens were a dull color, was to blend into that environment wherever they were laying their eggs. And that's why the roosters were pretty, so they would get eaten first. That's why people raise roosters to eat, because they get bigger quicker than the hens do most of the time. So that clucking, or what we call, most of us chicken tenders, we call that the chicken egg song. So she's singing the song of her people, pretty much. Apparently she's a very vocal one too. She's been going at this for a while. I'm gonna get back to it. Just thought you'd like a little bit of history, a little bit of background on chickens. I know not everybody knows that. I found that out through this blog, a science blog, where they were talking about the history of chickens and other poultry that was domesticated thousands of years ago. Alright, so now it's time to clean the coop. So this coop we built in such a way that we could open the side here. This is a big door. You undo the latches and open it. And then you can rake all the dirty litter, all the poop and everything out. And then we can put it in the trailer behind you. And then we'll compost it. That's how we do it. Not everybody does it this way. And that's okay. You gotta do what's right for you and what's easier and fits your lifestyle. Everybody's a little bit different, and that's okay. So now, we're gonna get in here, and we're gonna get cleaning. So we'll see how this turns out. solution. I'm just going to spray the entire inside so that we kill any bacteria that we don't want. You know, like poo-poo, and things like that. Okay, so now we're going to let this dry, and while we're letting it dry, we're going to work on a couple repairs really quick. So from here, we're just going to do the food and water, and I'm not going to bore you with that, but just fill up the feeder, give clean water, and it's ready to rock and roll. Talk to you guys later.
Maybe just jump to the